Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this new video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about crainerstore.com reviews, and in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. Guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the homepage of this website, guys, and this is the online store that deals with both time hoodies, both time t-shirts and various accessories including Crainer backpack, Crainer socks, Crainer wristband, Crainer stickers, Crainer logo key rings. And the citizens of United Kingdom and United States are curious to know about the legitimacy of this website, guys. So let's talk about the payment information first. So you can see they have not provided the particular payment section in this on this website, guys, and apart from that, in the FAQ section they have provided the info related to shopping, delivery, order processing time, etc., but no payment info is available on the website, which is a negative sign. Now talking about the shipping policy of the site, guys, you need to visit the shipping and returns policy section. So they have mentioned that for United States it will take around 2 to 3 business days, and UPS shipping will take around 2 to 3 business days, and Ascendia shipping will take around 8 to 17 business days. For Europe it will be 2 to 3 business days and 8 to 17 business days, and rest of world it will take around 4 to 7 business days after fulfillment, that is UPS shipping, guys, and for Ascendia shipping it will take around 8 to 17 business days. So this was the shipping info. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this site as a scam or legit website. So guys, this site is using a secure and valid HTTPS connection, which is a positive sign. And coming to the domain information of the site, the domain name of this website was created on 6th of December 2019. It means that this website is an old website, guys, that define its legitimacy. But we need to check out the company's information before making any decision. So they have not provided the about us information on this website, which is not a good sign, guys. And coming to the contact details, no contact us page is available on the site, but yes, you can sign up and subscribe to get special offers, giveaways and once in a lifetime deals, guys. Apart from that, they have mentioned the email address which matches with the domain name, which is a positive sign. Now coming to the social media presence of the site, you can take a look that the site has social media presence on Instagram and YouTube. Guys, this site has 7.42 million subscribers on YouTube and 10.9k followers on Instagram. You can take a look at the followers list, and they have uploaded 15 posts, and they're also giving 10% off on your first order. You can use the code Crainer for first order, guys. So this is a positive sign. It makes the site quite legit. Now talking about the return policy of this website, let's check out the return policy. So just visit the shipping and returns section again, and here they have mentioned 30-day return policy, which means that, guys, you will have 30 days after receiving your item to request a return. So guys, do comment about your experience regarding return or refund of the product. Coming to the crainerstore.com reviews, no reviews are available on the official website and on the internet as well, which is a negative sign, guys. And coming to the trust index score of this website, the trust index score of this site is 60%, which is really very good. Apart from that, guys, online shopping features were detected, and in the final conclusion, we would say this website appears to be legit, but the site has few loopholes as well. So it's totally up to you, guys. We highly recommend you to check out the site carefully before you decide to place any order. And for money related problem, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Guys, do comment about your experience regarding this site, and please hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Have a good day.